About the fucking flex.
Said you don't know mama's getting hot. Got her bills to drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So we can get straight into it, okay? So this is the frontal that I got from the beauty supply store. Don't worry, it looks like that because this is literally like my 8th or 9th time using the frontal, and I'm getting my money's worth, okay? I'm trying to show you guys like beauty on a budget where you don't have to continuously, purchase a new frontal all the time just for a new style. So this is just another thing for y'all to do. Listen, finesse it, okay? Finesse it, finesse it, and make sure you getting the bang for your buck. Don't be spending all these hundreds of dollars on something and then you're not using it as much times as you can. All right, now back to installing it. Now the front looks kind of wiggy because I did cut the lace by accident, so I just had to just make it do what it do. But I did take a little piece from another closure that I had, which is a synthetic closure. This is a human hair frontal, but the piece that you guys are gonna see coming up right here, boom, this is a synthetic closure, a piece from a synthetic closure. And this, I feel like I was really just testing it out just to see how it will work. And y'all, 10s across the board. As you clearly see in the beginning of the video, it came out cute. You couldn't even tell. If I didn't tell you that this was two different pieces put together, you would not know, okay? So we're just gonna glue that little piece just how we would normally glue the frontal down. Then we're gonna tie that down and let it band up and let it sink in.
All the niggas round me, right, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
And the hair I am using is the hair everyone should know from the beauty supply store, y'all. The pack is like freaking like $10 or something like that, even that much. It's very cheap, and I feel like this is the best type of hair to use for ponytails, especially because you're not going to use it for a long time. I did end up putting some black strips around the braid just to protect my hair from the glue, because that whole braid is literally my hair. There's no hair added in and braided in or nothing like that. And for me, I feel like it's better for me to add the glue on the track for my first track wrapping around, opposed to just putting the glue on the black strip itself. I just wanted more security at the beginning. So like I said, you just add the glue on the strip, on the strip of the weave, on the weft of the weave, I might say, and you're just gonna keep wrapping it around. And this is where I start to add some glue onto the actual black strips, so then it wouldn't take that long to wrap around. So once you wrap around, blow dry it and then comb it out, and you're gonna continuously repeat that process until you go all the way up. All right, and then I'm gonna hop back in and get back to y'all once we get there.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one really is a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Okay, y'all, we finished with the wraparound. Look at it, how it's looking. Real tea, real tea, real cute. Like, look at that side. You can't even tell where the frontal start and like here begins. Like, the shit is eating. Okay, purr. Take your time, man. Take your time. Like, don't rush, and you gonna get it just like me. Now, this band was definitely hurting my head, so we had to get rid of it. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna use some mascara, and there's some pieces like in the front peeking through, so I'm just gonna fill that in so it doesn't look like too gappy and too crazy. I just want it to look as more natural as possible. As you can see right here, you can tell the difference. Like, normally people probably would have used a black spray or something, but I didn't want something so harsh. I just wanted something light and feathery. Okay, boom. Yeah. After I finish doing this, I'm gonna go ahead with my small curling iron, my real small curling iron from Dry Bar. After I clip this little hairs off, I'm gonna go with my curling iron from Dry Bar, curl up the baby hairs. But as you see, I'm only gonna touch the baby hairs of the human hair part. I'm not gonna curl the synthetic piece in the front, which you're gonna see that. And I'm gonna go ahead and just do the baby hairs. What I used was some Gots to Be the glue, which is the black bottle, and I used a little bit of mousse. Okay, so once I finish doing that, I think I'm gonna hop back in with y'all. But if not, I'll just hop back in with the end results, and just, you know, show y'all how we do. Well, clearly y'all gonna see how we do because that shit came out so cute. But yeah, y'all, I'm really hyped. Like, I just gotta let y'all see for yourself. Like, bye. Okay, y'all, we have reached the end of the video, and y'all cannot tell me I did not finesse the out of this, okay? Y'all cannot tell that this is two different pieces of frontal, like a whole frontal and a different piece, like, mwah, chef's kiss. I did that. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Like, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think for real, because I ate it up, like, ate it, period.